For many, it's the first games console, even the first computer they got to play on. It's the birthplace of many people's development, gaming, or tech careers. The Commodore 64 was in 1982 and is now a relic of the style of computing we had throughout the 1980s. Similarly to the recent SNES Mini and the Atari box, the Commodore 64 is coming back as the fully licensed C64 Mini at the hands of retro games. Releasing in early 2018 and suggested retail price of £69.99, it comes with 64 pre-installed games from the era, such as California Games, Speedball 2 Brutal Deluxe, Paradroid, and Impossible Mission. It comes with its own joystick and has the ability for you to plug in a keyboard and use it as you remember, typing in commands in BASIC, or even programming your own games. For even more nostalgia, despite plugging into your PC with an HDMI cable, it has CRT and scanline modes to make it look like you were back in the 1980s. There's new save features too, as per modern game design standards, so those games shouldn't be as challenging as you remember. Game manuals and more details on the C64 Mini's release next year can be found on the official site. As well as the joystick, it comes with an HDMI cable and USB charging cable. If you want to plug it into the mains, you'll have to pick up a USB AC adapter.